Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth episode of Junk Journal or Memory Keeping with me. In today's junk journaling session, I will be documenting on my birthday, which was on 22nd November last year. I have got lots of pictures from my birthday and some packagings I collected. And also, it wasn't only my birthday, it was my sister's birthday too. We share our birthdays on the same day. Still, few people get amazed when we say our birthdays are on the same day. By the way, my sister is 4 years elder to me. Also, I have an entire tutorial on how I made this journal from scratch and also have a separate video on its flip through. Both the videos will be linked down below in the description and also on the I button. I'm starting by sticking this gift wrapping paper on the white page. This is from a very beautiful gift I received on my birthday. I'm really fond of packagings from very beginning. I really like the effort others make in doing packagings. Next, I'm sticking this blue paper tape to match it with the blue page next to it. Then I took a half-cut envelope and sealed the bottom with washi. I glued it on the flap so that I can flip up the envelope and get more space for journaling or photos. Also added more washies so that it doesn't get torn off later. Then I picked up all the photos of the gifts I received and I kept those inside the envelope. I took out a scrap paper which had images of cupcakes and I stuck it on the envelope. Then I took a photo and a vintage label. It's a free printable label. I will leave the link to that printable in the description. I took the photo and stuck it on the page like so, as a revealing picture. Then I pulled out the remaining piece of gift wrapper and stuck it on the blue page. I stuck down two photos there, photos of my mom's and dad's status on our birthday. My mom wrote a very beautiful poem for us and my dad had a series of status and I just printed the one I felt close to me. Next, stuck down the bullflower ribbon on the envelope. I love adding packagings or such objects in my journal because they all hold memory for me. Next, I'm making an envelope out of bouquet sheet. I'm just using a thin double-sided tape. I tucked in some cotton and confetti that was on one of my special gift I received. So these were a part of packaging and I added a label sticker to seal it from opening. Next, I stuck down a vintage rolled paper on the beautiful pattern paper to get some writing space. I'm making a separate small page using a small piece of paper bag. This is the bag in which we received our food on a birthday. I used white washi tape to stick it. Stuck down the envelope on the paper bag page using double-sided tape. And I also added some paper thread for embellishment and to add a little bit of layering to the page. Stuck another gift paper Here I'm looking where to fit in the photo that has my cousin's Insta story on a birthday. I had this old coupon book and I tore off the one in which it had the word junior, and I made that as a belly band. I did not layer the pattern paper with lots of ephemera because I wanted the pattern to show up. Next, I backed the photo on a flashcard. Then I made a top loading pocket with the Domino's pizza packaging. We had a pizza lunch that day. Stuck down a picture of myself that I clicked on my birthday on the narrow pattern paper. Finally, I am decorating my layout with some stickers and tags. So I turned 21 last year, so I stuck 21 sticker on the bottom of my picture. Added some tags. Also added a tab at the bottom of the page. I just folded it in half and stapled it. So yes, I journaled down off camera and this is the final spread. I took it to 4 pages this time because I had more pictures, and yes, I'm coming up with a video where I'll be journaling or I'll be doing memory keeping without pictures and only with packagings. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post junk journal videos every Tuesday and DIY videos every Saturday. Follow me on my Instagram for more DIY and journaling related stuffs. Also check out my other videos on DIYs and junk journaling. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.